Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily listen to music together on Discord, so let's jump right into it. First we start by opening your browser and then go into this website named greenbot.app. Once you're there, tap on add to Discord. When this screen pops up, tap on continue and then scroll down and tap on authorize. Tap here on I am a human. Once you're done from here, go back and open your application. Now here in the Discord server you'll find this Greenbot message. Go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top left corner and then start a voice channel. Now after that, go back to your Discord server and type /play, tap on the space button and then type your song name and then tap on enter. And just like that, the music will be playing and everybody on the voice channel will be listening to it with you. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.